As I told you, the layer farming will break even at 13 months. If you are brooding your chicks up to 1 month of age, then you are selling them. You are breaking even in 4 weeks. Then you'll be able to know some of your hidden talents. Maybe you're one of the greatest salesmen that ever lived, or a sales lady. Like and subscribe to the channel. You farmers, I posted a video of how you can be able to make a lot of money in the poultry sector by the rearing of the improved kienyeji breed of chicken. But most people kept asking me about the market. They were questioning and doubting whether you can be able to get the market for your products. And what I can tell you is that there is a very huge market for the improved kienyeji breed of chicken. And in this video, I'll be able to explain to you how you can be able to get the market for your products. I want you to be able to sell your products promptly. Okay? So as you cannot be able to get a loss in this business, because if you are not able to sell your products in time, then your chicken may end up consuming more food and yet they aren't producing as you want them. And we want to avoid that. We want us to be able to produce chicken at the early stage. After they have reached the stage to be sold, they have to be sold. The only problem that we have as farmers is that we usually have something known as the disconnect. There is a disconnect between the buyer and the seller. That is where the big problem arises from. So most farmers usually end up finding that when they have chicken that have reached a certain age that they need to be sold, they don't find market for their produce. Why don't they find market for their products? One, who is your first customer? Your biggest and first customer is your neighbor. Most of us are not in good terms with our neighbors. If you are not in good terms with your neighbor, then how can you be able to scale your business? First thing, make sure that you are in good terms with your neighbor. If you are good terms with your neighbor, then you can be able to sell your product to your neighbor as your first customer. Remember, customer satisfaction will lead you to your business growing. How does this come about? If I sell to you a product, for example, my day-old chicks, and I keep on insisting, if you really need quality day-old chicks, make sure that you are purchasing the day-old chicks from the actuary farmer's farm. If you're able to purchase the day-old chicks from the actuary's farmer's farm, then you'll be able to get day-old chicks that are free from diseases. Why am I saying free from diseases? Some of these diseases of these poultry birds, they are vertical diseases. These kind of diseases whereby they are transferred directly from the mother hen up to the offspring, which is the chicks. So if you end up buying chicks from a hatchery that don't observe the highest level of biosecurity measures with the disinfection of the eggs and the fumigation of the eggs before incubation, that can lead to you having a lot of chicks that have the same problem. And I realized back then, I was purchasing some chicks from a certain farm. That was a long time ago before I started doing serious poultry farming business. I was purchasing these day-old chicks from a certain farm, and what I realized is that these chicks, when they were reaching around 1 month of age, they started developing this kind of salmonella infections. Okay? So when these chicks just reach that 1 month of age, they have to develop that kind of disease. So each time I was trying to do everything. I put clean water, I give the necessary medical herbal medicine to the chicks so as you can be able to prevent such cases. But since that disease was vertically transmitted from the parent, it took me a very long time before I realized that that disease was transferred directly from the parent up to the offspring. I really incurred a lot of losses, and I don't want you as a poultry farmer to be able to incur such losses. So if you really need quality day-old chicks, make sure you are purchasing them from the actuaries farmer, and my number is 0706 54 37 60. And also you can see my number down there on your screens. So don't be afraid to give us a call, and also we usually offer consultation services. Okay, now let's continue with how you can be able to sell your products. I want this sun to beam on me properly. How can you be able to sell your products, your poultry products? Because everybody is crying about the market. The market, here is whereby you can make a lot of money in this business. You have to be able to sell your products very fast. Okay? As I have told you, if you're able to sell high quality products to your end customer, then they will be able to spread the good gospel about your products. For example, if I buy good chicks from you as a farmer, I will go and tell my friend. My friend will tell his friend. His friend will tell other 3 friends. 3 friends will tell other 6 friends. So when you look at that pyramid, you will have, from you selling one good product, you will be able to expand your wings and even reach up to 20 people using only one client. Okay? So this comes to how will you be able to rear your chicken properly. If you're able to rear your chicken properly, then you will be able to make a lot of money in this venture. And that is what we want. We want you to be able to get high quality clients. These clients that they are loyal to you and they will always come back for your products. For the first time, it may seem hard, but make sure when you want to really find the market for your products, you have to really utilize the social media. If you as a farmer are able to utilize social media properly, then selling your product will just be like a walk in the park. We don't want you to struggle selling your product. That's why I told you there was a farmer who needed 10,000 1-month brooded chicks, and I never had them. I had to outsource all around. And if you have purchased, for example, products from us, we can be able to outsource the products from you. That is only if we have that market at that moment. But the only problem is that you find out that some farmers, when you want to outsource the products from them, they become too attached to their products. If you become too attached with your products, you won't be able to make money in the poultry sector. That is another thing that I have to tell you. It's not a must that you sell your chicken at 3.5 months. Let's not make our minds and our brains so linear in a way that we can't think in 3 dimensions. If you can be able to sell your products at any moment, okay? I just told you, you have to make sure that you have done your mathematics quite well. You have to know the cost of production and add your margin profit, so as you can be able to buy another flock and also reap benefit from your venture or grow your venture as you want it. It depends with the dreams that you have. So make sure that you are really disciplined with your money. If you're able to do that, then you'll be able to grow as you want. So make sure that you let social media be your best friend, because if you let social media be your best friend, then you can easily get customers very, very fast. There are so many organizations, especially here in Kenya, that they usually look for brooded chicks around 1 month, 2 months old. Remember, if you get such a chance, don't waste it, because maybe you have reared like 3,000 birds and you are saying that you want to be able to wait until 3.5 months so as you can be able to sell them and get 300 Kenyan shillings. But what if an opportunity comes to you at around 1 month of age of those birds? You have reared those birds are deep into the months around 1 month of age, and you have a customer whereby you can make a profit of 120 Kenyan shillings. Why don't you take the opportunity? Don't get too attached with your chicken. That is the only way that you can be able to sell your products at a very faster rate and make money in the poultry sector. And that's why I keep on insisting that make each and every day a selling day. Okay? Just make sure you do your math properly. Okay? Because I realized that most farmers, they are always too attached with their products. If you are just too attached with your products, then you won't be able to make money in this business. Okay? Because you rear your chicken and then you'll wait for a very long time before you sell your products. If you wait for a very long time before you sell your products, then how will you be able to make a lot of money out of this business? You really have to be able to sell your products as quickly as possible. Remember, you're not doing the layer farming. As I told you, the layer farming will break even at 13 months. If you are brooding your chicks up to 1 month of age, then you are selling them. You are breaking even in 4 weeks. Okay? So if you are breaking even in 4 weeks, the risk is small. And you know, when you are rearing, for example, the chicks, this is a secret. One of the deadliest diseases that usually attack the chicks is known as the Newcastle disease. So if you're able to raise your chicks up to around 1 month of age, then you have disposed them. Okay, some people will say, oh, the market. No, the market is there. It's just that we have a disconnect between the buyer and the seller. How am I saying that we have a disconnect? You, as a buyer, don't know that me, as a seller, I'm selling this product. So you keep on circumnavigating around areas, but you're not getting the product. For example, if I'm a person, an old man, let me say I'm around 60 years of age, and maybe I'm looking for a certain product. I won't be able to get the product within my vicinity. Maybe I'm an old man, I don't know so much about the internet, and maybe I want to get 1,000 brooded chicks of 1 month old. How will I be able to get them if I have no proper access to the internet? So that's why I have said there is always a disconnect. So this old man will keep on looking in the village setup so as he can be able to get quality chicks. But he doesn't know that me, as a youth, I have some of those products that he needs. So there is where the problem usually arises. I am on Facebook, I'm advertising my products on Facebook, or I'm here on YouTube, I'm advertising my products on YouTube, but there is this old man somewhere who doesn't know that I do exist. I do exist as a human being even. So how will he be able to get my products? I have to be able to advertise my products viciously so as I can be able to get even somebody, maybe the son of that old man, to see my products, then he can tell the old man. So that is the other thing. You have to really know how to do advertisement properly. Okay? Because you are getting into this business so as you can be able to make a lot of money. You have to really know how to do advertisement and be able to market yourself out there so as people can know you properly. And I have said, if you are able to market yourself properly out there, then it will just take you a small chance from the referrals, then you'll be able just to blow up your business. And that is the major thing, my fellow farmers. Don't be afraid to start any kind of business. The only thing that you need is the spirit and also the drive that you have in you, the passion. If you really have the passion in the poultry farming sector, you will just succeed. Okay? But only thing I have to tell you is make sure that you advertise your products promptly. You will be able just to sell your products at whatever time that you need. So don't be afraid to start poultry farming because you're saying that there is no enough market for your products. The market is too big. The pie is too big. Even most people usually say, oh, I'm crying about the competitor. It's not about the competitor. Okay, we are working in a capitalist world, but I usually see like just a bit of greed. The market is too big. You can't satisfy the market. Okay? It's just that we have a disconnect between the buyer and the seller. And that is what we are trying to do. We are trying to bridge that. We're trying to bridge that so as we can have a connect between the buyer and the seller. So that is how you can be able to sell your products. Don't be afraid, my friends. Start small and grow if you want to start small. But if you have the guts to start big, then go for it. Even if you're not able to sell this chicken, you can be able to raise them. Because if they have reached 3.5 months, you're only waiting 1.5 months. And they will start laying for you the eggs. So what is the disadvantage? Only 1.5 months. It's only 6 weeks. When I say 1.5 months, it seems a very long time. You only have to wait for another 6 weeks. Then this chicken starts giving you eggs. And I told you, the price of an egg of this improved kienyeji breed of chicken. How much is it, guys? I told you, it is 2 to 3 times the price of the other layer eggs, the table eggs. So that's the benefit of you rearing the improved kienyeji breed of chicken. Don't be afraid. Make money while you're living. Don't wait until you die of old age and you find people fighting for your hard work, but you never enjoyed. Work hard, enjoy the fruits of your labor, and leave some for your son, for your generation. Don't be afraid. Be a man, because we usually think and we usually hear that fear is the biggest enemy of any human being. No fear. If you have no fear, then you'll be able to achieve your maximum potential. A human being is able to achieve so many things, but only due to fear, they are hindered from achieving their true goals. Don't be afraid. Push yourself. If you have to push yourself with a big number of chicken, maybe 1,000, if you are a starter, then it will make you more aggressive to do the marketing for your products. Then you'll be able to know some of your hidden talents. Maybe you're one of the greatest salesmen that ever lived, or a sales lady. So don't fear. Start and move on. And you'll share a story. And you'll say, one day, Mayuba Brian, popularly known as the Actuary Farmer, inspired me to start poultry farming. And look, oh, I'm driving today. Or, oh, I've built this very big mansion. Just believe in yourself. I know you can. It's only that you have fear. Remove fear. And for quality day-old chicks, you are getting the chicks from the Actuary Farm. Number is down there. Don't be afraid. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you have watched up to this point, I really want to thank you very much. Thank you, and I'll see you maybe in the next one. Worry not. Market your product aggressively and smartly. And also make sure you are good to your neighbors. Good neighbors lead to good life. Thank you.